Hi everyone, I am Deepa, Science Lecturer, Government Polytechnic. Welcome to session 11 from Unit 5, Integral Calculus and Applications. Contents discussed in the last session. Last session nalli application of definite integral ಬಗ್ಗೆ discuss ಆಗಿತ್ತು and area enclosed by a curve. We have solved few problems on area under the curve. So these were the topics discussed in the last session and this is the course outcome for unit 5. Contents to be discussed ಈ session ನಲ್ಲಿ volume generated by rotating the curve about the x-axis and we will solve few problems on volume generated by rotating the curve. So we will see what is volume generated by rotating the curve about the x-axis. So volume of solid. If an area enclosed by a curve or a line rotated about x-axis or y-axis, a solid is generated and hence volume, such volume so generated is called volume of solid revolution. So area na enclosed by a curve or line rotate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ what will be generated? A solid will be generated and hence volume will also be generated. ಅಂತದ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So which is given by V is equal to pi integral a to b y square dx. So this is the formula to find the volume of a solid revolution. What it is? V is equal to pi integral a to b y square dx and it is about x-axis. About x-axis idaga illi dx, about y-axis idaga illi x square dy agutte. But nimge irodu syllabus alli it is about x-axis. Next we will see the problems. Find the volume generated by rotating the curve y square is equal to x plus 2 about x-axis and the ordinates x equals 0 and x equals 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ rotating the curve ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ y square is equal to x plus 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್ by this curve you have to find out about x-axis ಅಂತಾನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So and between the ordinates idenidu x is equal to a and x equals b. So here a is 0 and b is 2. So we will write the formula. So the volume generated by rotating the curve about the x-axis is given by V is equal to pi integral a to b y square dx. So this is the formula to find the volume generated by the curve about the x-axis. Now substitute what is y square here? Y square is x plus 2. So y square ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x plus 2 ನ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is 0 and b is 2. So v is equal to pi into integral 0 to 2 x plus 2 dx. Now we will integrate this one. Pi is a constant. Integral of x is x square by 2 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral of x power n dx ಅಂದು x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So therefore it is x power 1 here. X ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x power 1 ಅಂತ. So it is x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is x square by 2 plus what's the integral of 2 with respect to dx? It is 2x and the limit is from 0 to 2. Okay. Now apply the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. So x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ x equals 0 here. ಸೊ ಪೈ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಎರಡೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೂ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ x equals 0. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪೈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ 2 cancel 2 plus 2 into 2 4. 2 plus 4 is 6 minus 0. Therefore the answer is 2 pi cubic units. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it is cubic units ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So what is the volume generated? It is 2 pi 6 pi. Next we will see the second problem. Find the volume generated by rotating the curve y square is equal to x square plus 5x about x-axis between the ordinates x equals 1 and x equals 2. So similar way you have to solve it. First we'll write the volume generated by rotating the curve about x-axis is given by v is equal to pi into integral a to b y square dx. So y square kottidare illi, y square is given, that is x square plus 5x. We will substitute here. So it is pi integral, what is a here? It is 1 and b is 2. X square is that is y square is x square plus 5x into dx. Now integrate each term with respect to x. So it is pi into bracket alli, what's the integral of x square? That is x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x cube by 3 plus 5 into x power 1, integral is x power x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2 over the limit 1 to 2. Okay. Next step is we'll apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi into what is the upper limit here? 2. ಎರಡು x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So ಅವಾಗ 2 cube by 3 plus 5 into 2 square by 2 minus x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So 1 cube by 3 plus 5 into 1 square by 2. We'll simplify this one. First ಈ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ upper limit ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ full simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next lower limit. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? pi into 2 cube is 8 plus 3 plus 8 by 3 plus 5 into 4 20 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 5 into 1 square is 5 only, 5 by 2. Next pi, simplify this one by taking LCM. So therefore it will be 76 by 6 minus, take the LCM, it will be 17 by 6. Now that is equal to 6 was common for both. Nodi, in the problem alli 6 was common in the denominator, therefore we can write it as pi into 76 minus 17 by 6. So it is pi into 59 by 6. So 59 pi by 6 cubic unit is the volume generated by the solvent by rotating about the x-axis. Next, find the volume generated by rotating the curve y square is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1 about x-axis between the ordinates x equals 0 and x equals 2. So same, you will write the formula, we will substitute in place of y square, it is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 dx. Next integrate each term, pi into integral of 3x square is 3x cube by 3 minus 2x square by 2 plus integral of 1 is x with respect to x over the limit 0 to 2. Now apply the upper limit, simplify. Before that simplify, if anything get cancelled, no, here 3 cancels, here 2 cancels, therefore it is after simplifying pi into x cube minus x square plus x over the limit 0 to 2. Now apply the limit pi x 0 kadella 2 apply ಮಾಡಿ first x cube minus 2x square plus 2 minus lower limit ಬಂದು 0 apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Next 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 6 pi cubic units. Okay, we'll see the next problem. Find the volume generated by rotating the curve y is equal to x plus 1 about x-axis between the ordinates x equals 0 and x equals 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬದಲು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ pi ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ 0 to 2 a is 0 b is 2 y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, y ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, that is x plus 1 the whole square dx. Now you can't integrate this one, ಇದು a plus b the whole square form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ pi into integral 0 to 2 x square plus 1 square plus 2x into 1 dx, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a is x here, b is 1. Next simplify. So pi into integral 0 to 2 x square, 1 square is 1 plus 2x into 1 ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ನೂ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪೈ ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೈ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 it is x with respect to x plus 2 what's the integral of x x square by 2 and the limit is from 0 to 2. Pi substitute x value as 2 here. Okay, cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ x0 ಕಡೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. 2 cube by 3 plus 2 plus 2 square minus x0 ಕಡೆ 0 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Simplify, take the LCM and simplify. 4 plus 2 6 8 by 3 plus 6 LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 26 by 3 is equal to 0. So the answer is 26 by 3 pi cubic units. Here you have to take the LCM and simplify. So next one, find the volume generated by rotating the curve y is equal to 2x minus 1 about x-axis between the ordinates x equals 0 and x equals 1. So as usual you will write the formula. Formula is v is equal to pi into integral a to b y square dx. Now y square ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a ಬಂದು 0, b ಬಂದು 2 here. So substitute pi integral 0 to 1, y is what, 2x minus 1 the whole square dx. Same here it is a minus b the whole square formula apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ a minus b the whole square formula. Pi integral 0 to 1 4x 2x and 2x the whole square ಅಂದರೆ 4x square plus 1 square minus 2ab minus 2 into a ಅಂದರೆ 2x b ಅಂದರೆ 1 into dx. Simplify this one. Pi integral 0 to 1 4x square plus 1 minus 4x dx. Now integrate each term. Pi 4x cube by 3 plus x minus 4x square by 2 over the limit 0 to 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2x square ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. Now so here it is 2x square. Apply the upper limit. So pi 4 1 cube by 3 plus 1 minus 2 1 square minus 0. Pi here 4 by 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 ಅಂತಂದರೆ minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 4 by 3 minus 1 LCM ತಗೊಂಡ 1 by 3 minus 0. So the answer is 1 by 3 pi cubic units. So whenever you have to take LCM, you have to take LCM and simplify it further. So this is the answer, that is pi by 3 cubic units. Thank you.